Thank you guys.
We're gonna be right here in front.
Test it first. There you go. Okay.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
I had a hard time. Because I'm like, I want a simple souvenir.
We are somewhere out there down the road.
Somewhere down the road. So we're gonna buy deep fried Oreos with a steak one set.
I don't know where I'm going.
Sama-sama lang. You can give it to her. Thank you, guys. All right, so go there.
Probably.
O, isa lang.
So give you them right there, okay? Thank you very much.
Kayo ba? Gusto nyo din? Ayaw nila eh. Okay, try it first if it's good. You wanna try it too?
I can't.
Ano, gusto mo? Wanna try?
If you're looking for anything else to eat, everything's reduced to $1 right here.
Oh, $2 na. What is it?
Corn dogs and Uncrustables, drinks and chips.
Oh, do you guys want it? Oh, dito tayo magantay.
Okay, where are we at? I'll get 3 of them.
The dude over there, he was a great advertiser.
Oh.
And he was like, it's only $1. And I'm like, what's only $1? The ice cream. And so then we all got ice cream.
So we got more food. Let's go this way. I bought snow cones for the boys. They're actually lowering down their price. Still doing the time lapse here.
Yeah, I thought it was like my memories got wiped. Where am I? And then I was like, oh.
Alright, bye. Bye, Mom and Dad. See you guys later. Mom, Dad. We're going home now.
Tomorrow is Independence Day, right? Tomorrow's Independence Day, our country's Independence Day, 4th of July as we called it when I was a kid. But in our family and people I ran around with, we recognized that Independence Day was about our independence, celebrating our independence from England, right? The 4th of July was when they signed the Declaration of Independence. What were they saying? We are independent of all influence and all this? No, they were saying we're independent. We're declaring our independence from England, right? King George III, they said, they enumerated all the ways that he had mistreated the colonists, and they said, so the colonies are no longer under England. Parliament, King George III, none of them have anything to say about what we do from now on. Now, that was about, a war had already been going on for about a year, right? I mean, they had already been at war, they had been fighting. Lexington and Concord had happened a long time before the Declaration of Independence was signed. But we celebrate that day that they signed the Declaration of Independence as the day that we said we are no longer under English rule officially. Right? It was signed by the colonists or the representatives of the colonists, and it was done. It's officially we are no longer under English rule. Now, a long war had to be fought. And had we lost that war, guess what would have happened? We would still be under English rule. In fact, all those guys that we think of as heroes like Ben Franklin and George Washington and those guys, they would have all been hanged for treason. So it was a big deal for them to sign their names on it.
Like, what are you looking for? I'm requesting a bigger table. This is my day.
Ako walang ka-date.
No, you're
Okay, you listen to James.
Let's keep on that.
Okay, so there's this couple going to a marriage counselor, right?
Okay.
And the marriage counselor says, what brings you here? The wife says, it's my husband. He's always too literal. The husband says, my truck.
Oh. I'll get it.
I don't get it.
What brings you here? Oh, hi everyone. Welcome back to my mom's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be celebrating the 4th of July.
Happy birthday to you. Early birthday celebration. What? just like him now. Wala akong kadate. Wala nagsusubo sa akin.
You want some pancakes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Here. There's
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. God bless.
God bless you, sir. Thank you.
God, thank you for this day. Thank you, Father, for your goodness.
People that surround us in Jesus' name, amen.
Ay, paper, ha?